everyone, this is Susie. So today we're going to be making some fish tacos, and these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some fishless fillets, corn tortillas, fresh cilantro. You can use white or red onion. You can use green or purple cabbage or a combination of both if you like. And I have some tomatillo salsa. I will leave the link to this actual recipe. But I have also used the chipotle chicken salad sour cream mixture. I've done it with that also, and it also tastes really good. So that's your preference, or you can use any salsa or hot sauce that you like, okay? And some lemon juice, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay, so I get these in the freezer section, and I usually put them in the refrigerator overnight, so the next day they're thawed out, or you can just leave them outside if you like for a few hours, and that's usually fine. That's how I do it. So I just place it in my little, whatever this is called, and you get 6 in one of these packages, and you don't have to oil it or anything because they're already pretty oily. And I just put it in my little toaster oven for about 6 minutes or so, 5 to 6 minutes on each side. I put them in, and then after like 5 or 6 minutes, I flip it over, and I leave it another 5 or 6 minutes, and then I take it out, okay? So we're gonna do that, at 350. I do this at 350. So I'll be back. I just wanna let you guys know that if you live in Chicago, I get these at Jewel or Fresh Thyme Farmers Market. I don't usually find these at Whole Foods. For some reason, they don't have them at Whole Foods, but there might be other stores that carry them. So, just want to let you guys know. Okay, so this is what they look like. Okay, and now what I like to do is I take one of these and I cut it in 3 long pieces. And I grab my tortilla and I take 2 of the pieces, like that. And you can add a little bit of salt if you want, and some lemon juice. Cilantro, cabbage, and some hot sauce. Okay, so now let's give it a try. Oh my goodness, can't wait. Delicious. This is one of my favorite meals. So quick and simple, and oh my goodness, they taste just like fish. They're so good. They're so good. So anyways, for this amount of the little fillets, I get 9 tacos with 2 pieces on each taco. So just so you know, that's the amount of tacos that you'll get for one little packet. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys give these a try. These are so good. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.